कि बांग्लादेशी के पीछे लगेंगे, माइनॉरिटी के पीछे लगेंगे, as opposed to saying we will include everybody. If we have to suffer little bit, it's okay. We will suffer little bit.
That's our Uncle Sam, so caring and always ready for others sharing. So Sam Pitroda, the chairman of Indian Overseas Congress and a close aide of Rahul Gandhi, has again stirred a controversy by suggesting that the illegal infiltrators, especially from Bangladesh, should be allowed to settle in India at the expense of the Indian taxpayers. Yes, you've heard it right. So Mr. Sam made this statement by taking a dig at the centre government for their approach towards cracking down on illegal infiltrators in India. He stated that the government should focus on issues like global warming rather than tackling the situation of illegal immigration. What an irresponsible statement to make. But it's not so shocking. It has been the Congress party who, for the last 70 years, has worked day and night to not only ignore the issue but helped illegal infiltrators settle in India. And what's more interesting to note here is that Sam Uncle's statement that he is making right now is just ahead of the assembly elections in Delhi, where the issue of illegal immigrants like Rohingyas has been one of the most heated topics of debate. Aam Aadmi Party has been allegedly accused of creating fake Aadhaar cards for the Bangladeshi illegal infiltrators and arresting them just for the sake of vote bank politics. It is worrisome to note that the India Alliance partners have always supported the cause of illegal infiltrators in India. For instance, I will quote the example of Assam here, where around 1/4 of the lands belonging to Assam's revered Satras, that is the Vaishnavite Eksarna monasteries, which are centers of culture and learning, have now been taken over by the Bengali-speaking Muslims, who are the descendants of illegal migrants from Bangladesh. All thanks to the successive Congress government in the state, it has been a Congress rhetoric, pleasing illegal migrants to suit their vote bank narrative. And Sam Pitroda has been the flag bearer of this propaganda. Remember how in the month of June last year, he passed a racist remark about Indians residing in different parts of the country.
Where people on East look like Chinese, people on West look like Arab, people on North look like, maybe white, and people in South look like Africa. Doesn't matter. We are all brothers and sisters.
And while it has turned into a running joke that Sam Pitroda makes an appearance every time there is an election to sabotage Congress's chances at winning, what he is suggesting this time is no laughing matter. If the party does indeed have similar sentiments, it is a cause of concern.